So today, to be honest, I'm more worried about time when this war is over, and time when Ukraine can start playing this new role in energy security, what I mentioned. I started with 24th of February when we disconnected, but another date, I think historic date for Ukraine, is 16th of March, when Ukraine connected to European grid. And I think that it's surprisingly brave decision taken by Europeans finally to connect us in wartime. And since 16th of March until now, Ukraine showed that we are responsible, we maintain stable operation of united energy system. And since 17th of March, we started discussing with the European partners ability to start exporting electricity to Europe. It helps Europe to reduce dependence on Russian energy. It helps Ukraine getting more revenue, financial revenue to support our financial system. And this discussion is going since 16th of March. It's not finished yet. We cannot export excess of electricity as a result of significant reduction of consumption, and also is the fact that we maintain production of coal and gas at pre-war level. And that's just another indication how Ukraine can fight. So, and Europe is not making decision. So needed electricity at much lower price than currently in Europe is still not flowing because of European bureaucracy, hidden in technical discussions. So I think that all parties should be serious about energy security, and what we discuss here and what we bring here in Davos for discussion in context of rebuilding Ukraine, and I prefer to say building new Ukraine, building new energy industry, building new economy, building new country, is initiative, we call it 30 by 2030. So it means to build 30 gigawatt of renewable capacity by 2030. It requires billions of investments, but it addresses this never-ending discussion of dependence on Russia at large extent, because most of this capacity and green energy will flow to Europe. We can build hydrogen capacity in Ukraine, produce green hydrogen, and also start exporting to Europe. We use all these funds to finance development, our infrastructure, and building new transmission lines. We invested in flexibility of our system, building battery storage projects. And this is basically can be foundation of new green sustainable economy of Ukraine. I believe that we can speak with Putin with weapons, and I think the whole world realized. But also what he's afraid is that Ukraine can become benchmark country with democracy, with green economy, sustainable development, and playing crucial role in energy sector of Europe. This is one of the fears of Putin, to see this kind of country next to Russia.